What's up everybody, Josh here, and in today's video I'm heading out to Riverstone in Land O'Lakes, Florida. This is a brand new community. They just started pre-sales, not even listed on the MLS yet. So real quick, I'll just give you a little bit of information about the community. No CDD. The HOA fee is $107 per month. They have 9 different floor plans ranging from 1,286 square feet up to 3,016 square feet. And the model home I'm going to walk through today is the 1989 floor plan, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, obviously 1989 square feet. And it starts at $403,990. And if you follow this channel for any length of time, you probably understand and know that I don't like doing model homes, especially the ones that you can build from scratch and customize on your own, because the starting price is just that, a starting price. So keep that in mind. $403,990 is a starting price, and the sky is the limit depending on how you build out your own home. So enough talking, let's start today's tour. All right, so this is the 1989 model home by KB Homes. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, obviously 1989 square feet. These you can build and customize to your liking, and they start at $403,990. So let's go inside, take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. As you see right there, plan 1989. All right, so you come in the front door. This one's set up with looks like LVP flooring. To the right over here, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So bedroom number 1 right here. Bathroom number 1. This is a laminate countertop, but they do have a design center where you can build out, customize, to your liking. And then behind the door here, you're gonna have your linen closet. So if you follow the channel for a while, you probably know that I don't like doing model homes because of the starting at price. A lot of people just assume that this is what you can get for the $403,990 in this case, which is probably not, because a lot of people, depending on the builder, they can easily add another 10% or more when you go to the design center. So just keep that in mind. $403,990 is a starting price. Here, got your 2-car garage. So a lot of the builders that allow you to build from scratch, that 403 or starting price doesn't include lot premiums. So you'd add that plus, any upgrades that you do when you go to the design center. So this would be your laundry room right here. Air handler is going to be behind this door here. And then bedroom number 3, right back over here. All right, continuing on. Come into the open living room and then the dining area. So nice size living room there. Your dining room, and then your kitchen. Let's take a look at this pantry. And this community does not have a CDD, and the HOA fee is $107 a month. I'm waiting to hear back on what that includes. This is a brand new community. They've just started pre-sales. It's not even listed on the MLS yet. So they didn't have all the information for me, but this is one of the newest communities in Land O'Lakes that is pre-selling. So I wanted to get out here and get this for you. Nice big walk-in closet. Nice size master bedroom. right. But yeah, I mean, you got the laminate countertops in here in the model. So I'm assuming, you know, usually they would put higher end materials, but I don't know. I haven't been to the design center for KB Home, so I'm not real sure what options they have there. But from a personal experience, in the past, I did build a house and I went and just with the builder grade laminate and I ripped it all out as soon as I closed and I put in what I wanted. Just because the design center didn't have the countertops that we wanted, and it ends up being cheaper too. So, but you come out here, you have your covered lanai. So obviously with this being the model, the backyard itself doesn't matter too much. But I'm gonna come back here, turn around and show you what the back of the house looks like. So there it goes. That's gonna be the 1989 model. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.